All right, welcome to React 201. First things first, you need to have Node installed and React installed. If you don't have Node and React already installed on your computer, please head on over to React 101, where we cover the basics of React, including getting installed and getting up and running with Node.js. Now, I'm going to assume that you already have Create React app installed on your computer using Node and NPM, in which case we can just dive right into this. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type npx create react app, and I'm going to call this MovieBrowser. And this is going to go ahead and install a bunch of stuff for us. All right, so before we continue here, let's take a look at the version of Node that I'm using. I'm using Node 15. You want to be using Node 14 or newer if possible. If you're using Node version 10, this create react app command is going to build something different for you. So you want to make sure you have basically the newest version or the newest LTS version of Node. So use Node 14 or 15, or if 16 or 18 is out, use the LTS version, maybe 16 or Node 18. So now I'm going to cd into MovieBrowser, and what I can do is ls-la, or if you're in Windows, you can type dir. And it shows you that you have a README, node modules, package, public, src, yarn.lock. You should have all of these files and folders. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up in VS Code by typing code dot. If you don't have this command for whatever reason on your computer, that's okay. You can simply open up VS Code and go to File, Open, and select the entire folder. And you just want to make sure you select that MovieBrowser folder. So you can go to File, Open, and you can select this entire folder here. So MovieBrowser. All right, once you have that up and running, what you can do is in VS Code, or if you don't have VS Code actually, you can just open up your terminal like what I had open before. Just this terminal here, or PowerShell, or whatever you want to use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this right inside of the browser. So I'm going to close this down. So terminal, quit terminal. And in my VS Code, I'm going to view my terminal in here. So all of my code, or all my files they're going to be on the left. My terminal is going to be at the bottom, and my code is going to be at the top right up here. So now what I want to do is I want to type npm start. And this should bring you to your first sort of React page. It tells you exactly what to do. Edit src/app.js. And we're going to do a bunch of stuff. So at this point in time, you should have this up and running. If you don't have this up and running, make that your task for this video. Make sure you have your first React app up and running using create react app command.